We are a well-established metal construction company and a leader in high-end sliding systems for demanding luxury buildings projects. Since 1973, we have been designing and manufacturing our own window systems at our production facility near Zurich, Switzerland.
We're usually working with architects. They come to us with special demands about very slim, minimal windows. And we also work with private developers and then with contractors. But mostly our client is the architects that wants a special solution for a project.
We aim to become the market leader in luxury frameless sliding doors and set the highest worldwide standards. Our mission is to create bespoke window solutions that are an expression of the individual design wishes of discerning architects and private building owners. The result is a unique product that combines technically superior materials with uncompromising workmanship.
Architects always want what has not been done before, so they're going to go for the biggest pane of glass possible, they're going to go for strange configurations of windows, and we have to solve that problems, and we have to solve that problems with our products. So, for example, I'm an architect myself, and I'm going to understand that language and that type of problems that they have in their projects, and I'm going to guide them through with what I know about the technical details of our product and to show them or help them find the right solution for their projects.
The use of composite materials provides exceptionally high thermal insulation, resulting in condensation-free surfaces. Excel understands the demands and needs of our customers and is always ready to respond. Excel has an extensive knowledge of fiberglass as a material. This helps Soreg in the solution development of new products.
Frameless windows have existed for a long time, and in frameless windows you're going for the slimmest profile possible with huge panes of glass. And the problem about frameless windows is that when we're working with aluminium, you're going to have thermal problems, which means condensations and houses that don't work that well. With a fiberglass product, like working with the Excel and with Soreg, we can reach very good U values and thermal values even when you're going with very, very slim frames. So it's basically the one product that does frameless windows without any compromises.
The collaboration begins with the client's initial ideas. During the technical implementation, the cooperation becomes even more intensive.
We're mostly active in Europe because it's our home market, namely in Switzerland and Germany. And we also have a big partner network, so we're currently working on projects a bit all over the world.
The passion every day is that we create for clients their wishes. We have bespoke window solutions. We have all the wishes from the architects, and so we fulfill their dreams. That's our passion.